Hi guys, welcome back to Melanesia Digital Review. Anyway, and in today's video, we will take a look at one of the best semi-mechanical keyboard on the market right now. As typists, programmers, or even gamers, you know how important your peripherals are to your working and gaming experience. And you most likely know that having the right keyboard can actually make the experience either good or bad. Mechanical keyboard is a computer keyboard that has switches under each key rather than rubber membranes used in most common keyboards. Mechanical keyboards are incredibly popular among typists, programmers, gamers, and others that rely on keyboard for their work. There are many kinds of mechanical keyboards on the market, but for today's video, we will focus on Rk71 mechanical keyboard. Before I start reviewing, as always, I'll include links to the Rk mechanical keyboards down below so you can check out the latest price and availability for anyone who might be interested in. Also, there are any special deal or discount on Rk71 mechanical keyboard, all include them in the description as well. I will start the review of Rk71 keyboard by highlighting the Bluetooth and USB cable dual connection mode. Rk71 mechanical keyboard can connect up to 5 devices simultaneously and can switch among them easily. This keyboard is compatible with most operating systems including Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 10, iOS, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Also comes with a detachable USB cable. You can easily change the keyboard while switching to wired mode. If you're looking to optimize your working experience, this Rk71 will be your best mechanical keyboard. So, without further ado, let's start to unboxing this keyboard. So guys, now we will unboxing this Royal Clutch keyboard Rk71 and see what we got inside. We have keyboard itself. I'll open it. Here, I'll put this. We got a cable. And we got this. Yeah, I think that's all about it. So there's nothing so much inside this. Pretty simple. I'm going to put this away. Now let's talk about this keyboard design. So basically, it's like a little heavy, but it's understandable because this is half a battery. The package dimension of this keyboard is 14.57 by 6.06 by 2.05 inches, and the weight is about 1.86 pounds. And you will get the user manual, only one, so it's really simple. And then the USB cable, which you can use for charging this keyboard, or you can use for wire mode. And this one, so you can, actually at this moment I don't know what is that for. And we get this for switching the keys. I think this is all about it. So again, about the design, let's talk about the design. It's really looks premium. I mean, it's like strong build, you can see on the bottom the power on and off. You can have it here. Yeah. On both side you have the LED lamp. It's like, yeah, this lamp is RGB actually. So yeah, overall I think this is a really looks, it's small, it's really compact, but still it does feel premium. Now let's try to, oh, I forgot, this one is where you plug your Type-C USB into the computer for charging or for wire connection. Now in here, this is the switch on and off, so let's try to turn it off. Okay, so even though the backlight is not an RGB yet, but still it's the backlit is kind of, yeah, it's kind of cool. It's have this keyboard is white and then the backlit is blue, light blue, so yeah, it's really cool. And okay, the typing, it's also feels really smooth. Wow, I'm impressed. And by let's say that like this count out Windows and a fan, then oh, I forgot. You need to connect to the computer first to configure a lot of things. So yeah, I think this is everything you got from the box. And for the unboxing part, everything you can see here. Maybe let me get this out from this plastic so you guys can see it clearly. Now, why I choose white? Because yeah, just like my dress, I'm using white silk, and alright, the reason I choose white is because it's kind of cool. It's the backlit, the blue black backlit it's really up the premium feels like that. So let's jump and try to connect it to the computer, and we will try to like typing. So for people who are working with typing, either it's programmer or office worker or yeah, or even gamer, we will try to doing everything in here with this small compact keyboard. So guys, I'm going to try the Rk71 keyboard with my computers, and yeah, this is the keyboard, the Rk71, and this is my mechanical keyboard. So you guys can compare the size. I mean, this is full numpad with numpad, and then this is only 71 keys. It's like, yeah, it's so small. It's really compact, and yeah, it's if we move this, I think it will save me a lot of space in here. So let's try to move this, and we will try to connect this because my computer didn't have Bluetooth yet, so I'm going to use wired connection with it. Okay, alright, let's get rid of my mechanical keyboard and try this Rk71 keyboard. Okay, I'm going to speed this up. So okay, now you can see my workspace is getting bigger, and yeah, it's saving so much space. So if you have a tiny workspace, this is really a great option. didn't have to download, actually it's already plug and play. So yeah, my device that say USB device is set up and ready to go. So let's try to exploring this. I mean, because this is already support Windows and Mac OS, so basically the shortcut for like switching tab, let's see how it goes. Okay, that's my game. So yeah, it's already giving everything that we need. Yeah, you can just type it, you can, oh my god, I'm just so happy with this. These small devices really give a premium feel, and it's connect automatically with my computers, Windows. So now let's try to connect into different devices through the Bluetooth. So this keyboard can connect up to 5 devices simultaneously. So, and when you want to switch it, you can just like the Q, W, E, R, and T, the cord will function so you can switch between devices easily. I'm going to try to connect this with my MacBook. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to connect the Rk71 keyboard with iOS, Android, and also Mac OS. Now, just for your information, once again, this keyboard can connect up to 5 simultaneously devices. So I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth. Now I kind of love how it's showing the backlit going once we first time start this. So to connect to your devices through Bluetooth, you can just press Fn and then Q or W or E or R or T. So you can connect to 5, but when you're doing pairing, you need to press and hold Fn and Q. So, or Fn and W. You need to hold it for 5 seconds, then it will going into pairing mode. But let me show you if I already connect to this, all 3 of these devices. So I'm going to open something that I can type here. Yeah, Microsoft Word. So at this moment, you can see I'm connected to the Mac OS. Now, if I choose to connect to the Android, I can just go Fn and then click W, and it will go to Android. So let's see, I'm going to type something. Hi. So I'm connected to Android without having to pair again. And if I want to connect to the iOS, I can just Fn, function button, and E. And let me type. Oh. So it's very simple, and when I want to switch back to my Mac OS, I can just Fn and W, and it will go in there. I can type again. So now you can see how easily this device is connected to 3 different devices. And for me, it's like if you're working with multiple devices at the same time that you want to switch here, there, as you know that Windows cannot connect one keyboard to two devices, nor one device to two keyboard. But with this, I think it's very helpful. I mean, if I want to type and then I want to send a message, I can do it all from one single keyboard. So the function is really helpful. There is a lot of things here you can still explore. And yeah, once again, this 71 keys keyboard is really impressive. I keep like, it's really awesome. So okay guys, I think everything that we already see here, overall performance for me, the GK71, it's compact, it's really easy to use. For Windows, when you do connect with wire, it's just plug and play. There is nothing more you need to settings. You can just plug and then you can use it like usual. So now the last thing that we want going to try is to use this tiny keyboard to play a game on Windows PC. So guys, now we will use this to play a game on Windows. But I need to remind you guys that once you switch from Bluetooth to wire, you need to put this on off. So whenever you put this off, then the Bluetooth will disconnect it or disable, and when you put it on, then the Bluetooth is will on. So if you want to wire, you need to put this off. Alright, let's try some game. I'm playing a very old game. Yeah, with testing this with gaming also, this is really the keyboard. You can see again that it's saving so much space. So if you have a small workspace, and this keyboard can be a really good solution once again. On my like overall recap of this review, the key, when you touch it, it's really smooth, and the RGB, it's not an RGB, but the backlit, it's really cool. It has 17 themes. I mean, you can pick the speed of the backlit here. Like, you can just go and try another. It also has a super cool on the side. So yeah, overall I'm giving a thumbs up for this. But again, for you who like to play with numbers, like you need the numpad, then this keyboard is not the right choice for you. But for people who just work with something, want something compact, want something small, then this is definitely a better choice. And the Bluetooth connection for 5 simultaneously devices, they are also really great. Overall, this Rk71 mechanical keyboard, it's a great value for what you get. A little bit weakness about this mechanical keyboard is this keyboard have no numpad. So for gamers, this will for sure saving you a space for the mouse. But for people who like to working with numbers, then you might want to find another keyboard that have numpad on it. At a competitive price, This Rk71, it's an amazing budget. You can get this in Amazon or anywhere near your place. But yeah, overall this is a really good keyboard with a good price deal. I think this is my review of the Rk71 mechanical keyboard, and today hopefully my recommendation of this keyboard is useful for those of you who are looking for this product according to what you need in a gaming device or office work at home. If you have any questions about this Rk71 mechanical keyboard, please write them in the comment section below. I will take time to answer a question, and if you have recommendation for other products that we should review on the next video, you can let us know so that we can help you recommend the product you want. Thank you guys for joining me on this great video. If you got some good info, let me know by hitting that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and be sure to click notification bell as well so you can always be the first to know when we have new content updates. Stay healthy everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!